Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review, but this time we'll be reviewing the MRF Dracon series. We have not yet done any Dracon series review, so this is our first review on the Dracon series. This is a dedicated exclusive series for US Cricket Store by MRF. You would not see Dracon anywhere except at US Cricket Store. Well, that's not a statement, that's a fact. Well, bringing all that together, this is the 1.0 Dracon 1.0 from the series, which is the grade 1 offering of MRF in the Dracon series. What's so peculiar about this? What's the shape or what's the profile of this bat is as follows. As you can see that it has a lovely profile wherein it has having an extended profile. If you see that the spine is on the similar or the parallel line as along with the edge, giving you an extended middle area or extended sweet spot region for having an extended coverage of your ball hitting, and you're still getting value for your shots even if it's sitting at different positions of the bat. It is indeed having the lovely duckbill toe feature, but if you see that this entire portion is basically the middle position. Humongous 41 mm on the edges and a 65 mm on the spine and a 29 mm on the toe, with you can see that the concaving is maybe 1 millimeter if I really want to be really harsh, but that's just about the plastic that I can figure out. It's 1 millimeter. You already heard the specs being ridiculous, maybe 41 mm on the edge and a 65 on the spine, and all that is packed in 2.9.5 with the wrapper on. So this wrapper is basically on the thicker side. 0.5 of an ounce would definitely go out with the wrapper and with the tag at the top. So you're looking at around 2.9 in my opinion. Well, let's talk about the decals a little bit. If you see that the decals, the red color, the red color on the Dracon series is slightly on the darker side as compared to the Grand Edition or the Elite, which is the MRF other series that we have in stock. Slightly on the darker side, but it looks classy as well with the chrome finishing on the border of the MRF, making it a little more special than the generic MRF that we have in stock. We indeed have them in stock as well. Well, it does have the Dracon series written right here. The Dracon 1.0 is right here with the Virat Kohli signature right here at the bottom. Well, talking about the handle is of medium thickness. I would not say superly thick. It's of the medium thickness, and it does come in with the 3 red color rubber inserts. It's difficult to figure out from the plastic through the plastic, but it's indeed there. Well, we spoke about all the features, guys. 2.9.5 on the scales with the wrapper on, with a slight bow, not much, very slight bow. Let's check out the pickup of this particular bat. Wow, it's a monstrous bat, I would say. It does feel like a 2.8.5 or maybe 2.9 in my opinion, but it's a monstrous bat. I can feel that I have something huge in my hands. If you actually look at this position right here, right, we're talking about 37, 38 mm right here at the top as well. So that's how thick and big this bat is. So it's all for the big hitters out there who wants big meat in their bat. Look no further, guys. This is the place to go. Without further ado, before we go there, let's check out the grains on this bat. It's beautiful looking grain structure, no hardwood. It's all sapwood and a lovely looking grain structure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grains, straight, parallel, equidistant to each other. Good quality of a good cricket bat. Without further ado, let's check out the ping of this lovely MRF Dracon 1.0 with this brand new cricket ball. As you can see that the first tap with this ball is making marvelous journeys to all parts of this roof and trying to touch the roof ever so slightly. Well, one lucky guy would be getting this MRF Dracon 1.0. I should say this is indeed special. As you guys saw, I'm not feeling anything in my hands when I'm doing the ping test. Again, attribute or things that I would look out when I'm buying a cricket bat. That brings me to the retail price of this bat. The retail price of this bat would be $399.99. You can purchase this bat by clicking on the link in the description of this video, or you can reach out to us through any social media platforms that we are available on to purchase this particular bat. Well, that was it for this particular video. If you like the content that we host on our channel, and if you like our channel, then would request to subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, all good, guys. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.